breaking news coming in. Buzz over Rahul's Vietnam trip. BJP has now put out pictures of Rahul Gandhi vacationing in Hanoi. BJP targets Rahul Gandhi, calls him leader of Pariyatan, says Raga is in constant vacation mode.
कभी बैंकॉक, कभी कोलंबिया, कभी बर्लिन, कभी वियतनाम, कभी हैनोई, मतलब ये लीडर ऑफ पार्टिंग एंड पर्यटन है। ये देश में नहीं, ये हमेशा विदेश में रहते हैं, विदेश नायक है। ये 2 वेकेशन के बीच में भारत आते हैं, थोड़े दिन रुकते हैं, जंगल सफारी जाते हैं और भाग जाते हैं। फिर चुनाव हारते हैं तो बोलते चुनाव हारे क्योंकि इलेक्शन कमीशन खराब था। पर ये दिखाता है राहुल गांधी सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन नहीं है, इमेच्योर पॉलिटिशियन है, इसलिए उनके एलाइज भी उनसे नाराज है। कांग्रेस के ही नेता बोल रहे राहुल हटाओ प्रियंका लाओ, जैसे इमरान मसूद, शशि थरूर, दिग्विजय सिंह ने भी बोला कि संगठन की कमजोरी है। पर राहुल गांधी विदेश यात्रा में ही मस्त है और कांग्रेस पार्टी त्रस्त।
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Politics heats up once again over Rahul Gandhi's foreign visit. BJP has put out his picture saying that Rahul Gandhi is in constant vacation mode.
Well, Swati, Rahul Gandhi has been attacked by the BJP. Now we know for a fact that how BJP has been saying this. Whenever Rahul Gandhi goes on a foreign trip, he demeans the country, and also BJP this time around also says that Rahul Gandhi is not LOP leader of opposition. He is LOP leader of Pariyatan. Now we know for a fact that how Pradeep Bhandari, Shahzad Poonawalla, they have attacked Rahul Gandhi. Pradeep Bhandari have put out a social media post saying that Rahul Gandhi is back to his favorite hobby: foreign trips, foreign platform, and familiar narratives that embarrass India. Now, Shahzad Poonawalla, the Bharatiya Janata Party's national spokesperson, has also attacked Rahul Gandhi, saying that Rahul Gandhi is not a serious politician. He just wants to go abroad. He wants to demean our institutions. He means to demean our judiciary. And whenever he goes outside, that is his favorite hobby. He demeans our country. So that is the line that has been taken by the Bharatiya Janata Party. We know for a fact that how even the alliance partners of the Congress Party raised questions on Rahul Gandhi's Germany trip during the parliament session. We saw that how the CPM MP came out and said that he should have at least waited for the parliament session to get over, and now the BJP is citing that, saying that even allies are not happy with Rahul Gandhi going abroad and not being serious towards the politics. So we have to wait and watch what exactly the Congress Party have to say, but the BJP is putting out various pictures and social media posts attacking Rahul Gandhi.
From the opposition, when Rahul Gandhi went to Germany while the parliament session was still underway, many asking that if he is the leader of opposition, he has to be in the country when the parliament is underway, raise the issues that you want to, criticize the government while the session is on, be present in the parliament, be there in the country when such crucial developments are taking place. Any reactions coming in from the Congress on this, Mohit?
Well, Swati, as of now, the Congress Party has not reacted. But whenever BJP raises questions on the foreign visits of Rahul Gandhi, the Congress Party comes out and they attack the Prime Minister. That Prime Minister Narendra Modi also goes on a foreign visit. Then the questions are not being raised, and they also say that the Bharatiya Janata Party is so fascinated by Rahul Gandhi that they keep track on his movement. But the question is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of the country. He goes outside because he has bilateral or the other meetings with the head of the nations of various countries, and that is part of his job as the Prime Minister.
Yes.
But when it comes to Rahul Gandhi, BJP says that he's the leader of opposition. He should be raising questions within the country. He should be attending the parliament. But he's back to his favorite hobby, that is foreign trips, foreign platform.
BJP is hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. We have Udit Raj joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, stay on with us. Udit Raj, how do you respond to the latest coming in from the BJP on Rahul Gandhi's Vietnam trip, saying that he is in constant vacation mode? He is leader of Pariyatan as per BJP.
What about our Prime Minister? Even if he's in India, he's always on election campaign. Does he sit in the office? You see, earlier the Prime Minister used to meet a lot of delegation, a lot of issues used to be discussed, interaction with the media. What our Prime Minister is doing. And moreover, this Prime Minister has to the world more than any other Prime Minister. Maybe 4 times, 5 times, 10 times more. And third, that is Mr. Rahul Gandhi running the government. He is a opposition leader, but he is not governing. He is not deciding. So
yes, he is the leader of opposition, and many in the opposition actually had questioned Rahul Gandhi going to Germany when the session was underway. There certainly is a difference between vacations, official state visits and election campaign. Thank you very much, Udit Raj, for joining us in the broadcast with your perspective. That was Udit Raj of the Congress hitting back